Hi everybody, Miss Lisa. So a couple of days ago we made paint, watercolor paints like these. These are the kind you can buy in the store. And if you don't have these at home, I shared a recipe on my YouTube channel about how to make your own paint with things that you have at home, watercolor paints, and you can check out how to make watercolor paint with Miss Lisa on my YouTube channel, and it'll give you the recipe and how to do that. So I thought today it would be a good time. I've let them dry for a couple of days, so I have 9 different colors. Let me see if I can try and get those in here so you can see them. See, they're kind of hard to see, but there we go. So you can see all my different colors, and those are what we made the other day. So today I thought maybe we would use them. So another great way to do colors and shapes together is all I did was I have some colored markers that I just use on a regular white piece of paper, and I drew some shapes in different colors, and then I labeled each one. So this one is a yellow square, this one is an orange circle, a green triangle, a red square, a pink diamond, and a blue rectangle. So these are the basic shapes that your kids, when they're real little, are learning right away. There are lots more, and you could do whatever shapes you want. These are just some quick ones that I put together this afternoon within about a minute. So I'm going to use my paint, and I will tell you that once the paints that we made are dry, you're going to need at least an eyedropper of liquid in each one to get them paintable again, so you can use them as paint. And you'll know when they're starting to get dry. You just add a little bit more water because the paint won't paint, it will be clumpy. And that's the cornstarch that's in there. So I'm going to start with my orange circle, and I just took my brush out of the paints that I did have to use for this. So we're going to put some paint on my orange circle, and I will tell you that these paints are not real dark. They're going to be very light colored because I think if you put more food coloring in them, they would end up turning out darker, but for right now this should work, and they dry pretty quickly. So there's that one. I'm going to do one more, and then I'll show you what it looks like. And again, these are not super dark colors, so don't be surprised. The more they dry, the more color you'll see, but right away they don't look like they're the right color, but they are. So there's my yellow. Let's do blue, because blue was really good. It turned out really nice. And I did find out that the more food coloring you put in, the better as far as the color is concerned and how dark it will be. So when you're making the paints, keep that in mind. Don't be shy when it comes to using your food coloring. So these are just a few, 3 of them that I did. So there's our yellow square and our orange circle and our blue rectangle. So you can see about what it's going to look like when you use the paints that you made at home. Like I said, these are ones you can buy in the store. They are basically the same thing. These you can make at home, make as much as you want or as little as you want, and then you can let the kids paint and use paint brushes and get that stroke movement, and that's really good for the fine motor, the small motor, to have them hold on to the paintbrush. So they're holding the paintbrush with a pincer grip, which is these 2 fingers, and they kind of just lay it on the other ones, kind of like you hold a pencil. And that's what you want to see when they're painting with a paintbrush also. So let's see, we got a little green here. Let's see if I can do this holding it up. Yep. So there's the green. So you can see that it works pretty well. I'm not doing a very good job painting in the lines, but that's okay. So there's my green triangle. And then you just want to practice saying the shapes with them while they're doing this, and really talk about the different things about that shape. There's the red square, and that actually looks kind of more orange, but you get the idea. So there's the red square. And then our pink diamond. I'll see if my pink comes out. It's pretty light, but yep, there it is. And there's the pink that we used, that we made too. Whoops. Miss Lisa's not a very good painter. So there you go. And when it dries, it's all dry and you can hang it up and they can practice it over and over again. So have fun with those. And again, if you want to know how to make the paints that we just used today, go to my YouTube channel and type in how to make watercolor paint with Miss Lisa, and you should be able to find it. So thanks. See you later. Bye.